Hello students, today let us see EZ system of naming the organic compounds. This system is applied to alkenes which have restricted rotation around C double bond C. Already we have seen cis-trans isomerism. In cis-trans isomerism, the double bonded carbon atoms will have identical groups or similar groups on both sides. If the similar groups are present on the same side, that is cis isomer. If they are present on the opposite side of the double bond, then that is called trans isomer. But if these double bonded carbon atoms have 4 different groups around them, 4 different groups like this, then for this kind of structures we cannot assign cis or trans nomenclature. For this kind we have to assign EZ system of nomenclature. This E means, the meaning of E is Entgegen. The full form of E is Entgegen. Entgegen meaning opposite. Opposite. And Z is, Z means zusammen. Zusammen, which is together. Zusammen meaning together. In this, if 4 different groups are present around the double bonded carbon atoms, we have to give priorities. Priorities based on the atomic numbers or atomic masses. In my previous video, I have explained the Kohn-Ingold-Prelog rules which are to be applied to give the priorities to different groups around these double bonded carbon atoms. By following that CIP rules, we have to give priorities. First thing is we have to see the atomic number or atomic mass. If we cannot decide with the first atom, we have to proceed and see the next atoms to which these first atoms are attached. So, if we have to know the Kohn-Ingold-Prelog rules to assign the priorities. Okay students, now let us see these examples. This is the C double bond C. This is the double bond which has restricted rotation. This is the double bond. In this carbon is bonded to bromine and fluorine, and this carbon is bonded to chlorine and hydrogen. We have to give priorities separately on the double bonded carbon atoms as 1, 2, 1, 2. Now, among fluorine and bromine, bromine has the highest atomic number. So, first priority goes to bromine and second priority goes to fluorine. Now, among these two groups, chlorine has highest atomic number. So, chlorine gets the first and hydrogen gets the second. Now, we have to check whether first priority groups are on the same side or opposite side of the double bond. Here in this example, the first priority groups are lying on the opposite side of this double bond. So, this configuration is Entgegen, E configuration. It is E. Okay students. Now, let us see the other example. In this carbon is bonded to CH3 and this carbon is bonded to CD3. This is the isomer of hydrogen, deuterium, and this carbon is bonded to CH3 and this is hydrogen. Now, among these two, which one gets the first priority? The first carbon attached to the double bonded carbon is only carbon. So, we cannot decide with the first atom. So, we have to see the next atom to which this carbon is bonded. Here, this carbon is bonded to 3 hydrogen atoms and this carbon is bonded to 3 deuterium atoms. Deuterium has highest mass number, so this one gets the first priority. CD3 gets the first priority and CH3 gets the second priority among these two. Now, coming to CH3 and H, this carbon is bonded to carbon and hydrogen. So, carbon has highest atomic number, so CH3 gets the first priority and hydrogen gets the second priority. Now, the first priority groups are both are on the same side of the double bond. So, this configuration is Z configuration. Okay students. Now, let us see the next example. This one. In this, This is the double bonded carbon atoms, and this carbon is bonded to CH double bond CH2, and another group is CH 2 methyl groups, so CH3 taken twice, and the other double bonded carbon is bonded to NH2 and OH. Now let us see. Among these two, oxygen and nitrogen, oxygen will have higher atomic number, so OH gets the first priority and NH2 get the second priority. Coming to these two groups, here this carbon, both are carbon atoms, so we cannot decide by seeing the first atom. We have to proceed to the next atoms to which these two carbon atoms are bonded. Now coming to this group, it is bonded to one hydrogen and a double bonded carbon. A double bonded carbon is equivalent to two carbon atoms. And this group, in this carbon is bonded to one hydrogen and two methyl groups. So, two methyl groups means one carbon and carbon. So, here it is carbon and carbon. Now, which one gets the first priority? In the first one, we are assuming that two carbon atoms are present. But in the second one, two carbon atoms are actually present, really present. So, this group gets the first priority and this group gets the second priority. Okay, students. So, now let us see, the first priority groups are on the opposite side of the double bond. So, which configuration? N-gen, E configuration. This compound exhibits E configuration. Okay, students. Now let us see. Now let us combine cis-trans isomerism with EZ isomerism. We can assign EZ to cis and trans isomers also. Let us take the example 2-butene. CH3, CH, double bond C, CH3, H. This is cis-2-butene. Cis-2-butene. Now, let us give the priorities to assign EZ configuration. This methyl group gets the first one and hydrogen gets the second one. Similarly, methyl first and hydrogen second. So, first priority groups are lying on the same side. So, what configuration? It is Z. Z. What is the position of Z here? The second carbon. So, it is 2Z, which will be kept in the brackets, and 2Z 2-butene. 2Z 2-butene. And let us write its trans isomer. C double bond C, CH3, H, CH3, H. Now 1, 2, 1, 2. First priority groups are lying on the opposite side of the double bond. So, it is trans isomer because methyl groups, identical groups are on the opposite side of the double bond. So, it is trans isomer, trans 2-butene, and first priority groups are lying on the opposite side of the double bond. So, what kind of configuration is this? It is E configuration. Where is this E? The second carbon. So, 2E, which are kept in the brackets, and 2E 2-butene. 2E 2-butene. Okay, students.